Hello. So today's topic is going to be knowing the difference between policies and procedures. So first of all, with a policy, these are things that are in place usually for safety, such as not using the internet at work for personal use, like shopping. Or maybe a policy might be in a construction area, it is their policy to wear hard hats. And then a procedure is something that you do to make things run smoothly. So, for example, when you enter a classroom before your teacher begins teaching, you should get your work, maybe a book, sharpen your pencil, and get ready to begin learning. So, today's assignment will be to work with a partner, and you are going to brainstorm and create a list of workplace type policies and procedures. So if you were in a workplace, what types of policies and procedures would you need? So first you would need to identify where your workplace is. So maybe you and your partner will decide that you're going to be working at McDonald's, and you're going to write the policies and procedures that you believe should be implemented at McDonald's. And then the second thing I need you to do, part 2 of this assignment, is now that we are remote learning, what types of policies and procedures should we implement into our class? Okay, so it's 2 parts. One is you and your partner will use a shareable document. You're going to identify a company and then list the policies and procedures that you should implement into that workforce. And then 2, on the same document, you're going to implement policies and procedures for our class during remote learning. All right, good luck.